Join us as we explore our evaluation platform at the hardware level, focusing on board architecture, component selection, layout intent, and how each design supports accurate electrical validation. Today, we take a closer look at switching regulators through our building block solution modular evaluation platform. Modern electronic systems demand efficient, flexible power conversion across a wide range of input voltages, load conditions, and application requirements. Unlike linear regulators, switching converters enable high-efficiency power conversion by stepping voltages up, down, or both, while minimizing power loss and heat. They form the backbone of power architectures across industrial, consumer, and embedded systems, supporting everything from battery-powered devices to high-voltage rails and LED drivers. The Switching Converter Building Block Solution, or BBS, is a modular evaluation platform designed to demonstrate and validate Microchip's DC-DC switching regulators. It provides a practical way to compare performance, evaluate layouts, and accelerate design without building multiple discrete test setups for typical use cases. This evaluation board consists of 7 independent switching converter subboards, each implementing a different topology and use case. Each subsection is electrically isolated, allowing engineers to independently power, probe, and evaluate performance across varying load conditions and input voltages. All key nodes are exposed, including input, output, ground, and control signals, along with accessible test points for efficiency, transient response, and switching behavior. The layout is optimized to reflect real-world design practices, enabling meaningful validation of efficiency, noise performance, and stability. This evaluation board consists of multiple independent switching converter submodules, each implementing a different topology and use case. Each section is electrically isolated, allowing engineers to independently power, probe, and evaluate performance across varying load conditions and input voltages. Terminals are easily accessible and include voltage in, voltage out, ground, and enable terminals, along with accessible points to enable evaluation of efficiency, transient response, and switching behavior. The switching converters on this platform are intentionally selected to represent common power conversion challenges. For low-voltage battery-powered systems, the MCP16251 and MCP16411 show how to efficiently step up voltage from very low input sources. Both are optimized for low quiescent current, helping extend battery life while supporting flexible operating modes and smooth transitions between regulation and bypass. They also include features like undervoltage monitoring, making them ideal for powering sensors and microcontrollers. For step-down conversion, the MCP16311 and MCP16331 demonstrate efficient regulation from higher input voltages. These devices deliver strong efficiency across wide input ranges, integrate key switching elements to simplify design, and provide stable outputs under dynamic load conditions, supporting everything from embedded systems to industrial rails. For higher voltage generation, the MCP163 is configured for both 12-volt and 24-volt outputs. These boost converters provide stable, higher voltage rails, integrate high voltage switching, and include protection features to ensure reliable operation across varying loads. And finally, the MCP164 highlights constant current LED driving, delivering precise current regulation, integrated protection, and consistent brightness for lighting and display applications. Together, these solutions provide a practical, hands-on way to evaluate switching performance across multiple topologies. This switching converter evaluation board helps you reduce validation time, increase design confidence, and evaluate multiple power solutions on a single optimized platform. It's ideal for bench validation, early prototyping, and real-world demonstrations, bridging the gap between datasheet specifications and real-world behavior. If you are designing efficient DC-DC power solutions and need to evaluate different topologies, performance trade-offs, and real device behavior, the Switching Converter Building Block Solution provides a flexible, board-level validation platform. Documentation and support are available on our website. Visit microchip.com/BBS to explore the Switching Converter Building Block Solution and get started.